Good afternoon, my dear listener. The topic of our day today is medicine quality control as international problem. Today we'll stop at the notion of medicine quality and medicine quality as international problem. The main reference that you may study the issues more detail one can see in the list. As we remember, the health of people is one of the nation's greatest assets. In order to improve the health of the population, the main task of national healthcare system is to provide its population with the quality and effective medicines. The level of pharmaceutical providing depends on correctly organized of medicine quality control system. According to the World Health Organization, the term quality control refers to the sum of all procedures undertaken to ensure the identity and purity of a particular pharmaceutical. Result of properly constructed medicine quality control system are the prevention of diseases, physical inabilities and fatal cases owing to prevention of receipt of poor quality medicine to the patient, a guarantee of efficiency and safety of medicines. Quality of medicine is a total combination of properties that allows a medicine to satisfy the requirements of consumers according to its purpose and to correspond with the condition established by technological and normative documentation. Properties of a medicine include efficiency, safety, conformity, and the quantitative contents of ingredients, absence of impurity, activity and stability of a chemical compound of a medicine, and stability storage. The quality of drug is a set of properties that provide the ability to meet the needs of the drug users according to their purpose and meet the requirements established by the law. If defines the quality under a measurable parameter, the perception on quality will be different for different users. For example, to the patient, quality is one that gives prompt relief from his/her suffering. To the doctor, quality is when his/her patient shows expected clinical response for his/her treatment. And to the pharmacist, quality is the compliance of the product to the set standards, to the label claims, and good in terms of physical standards. Determinants of medicine quality are identity of active ingredient, purity means not contaminated with potentially harmful substances, potency, uniformity, that includes the consistency of color, shape and size, bioavailability and stability, ensuring medicine activity for stated period. Identity, purity, potency, uniformity are defined in pharmacopoeias and stated in certificate of analysis. Under active development of the pharmaceutical market, the problem of drug quality is most urgent. First of all, this is due to the advent on the pharmaceutical market of counterfeit, substandard, or drugs that have not passed the procedure of state registration in the national healthcare system. Substandard or poor quality medicine is the preparation made by the legal manufacturer with correct marks, but which is a result of absence of appropriate condition of manufacture or transportation or storage does not correspond to the established requirement of normative documents. The forged medicine is a medicine which purposely and illegally supplied with a label, incorrectly indicating authenticity of a preparation and or the manufacture. Unregistered medicine is a medicine without the state registration in the state authority. Turnover of these drugs first is a direct threat to health of public and sometimes people's life, and secondly, result in significant financial losses legal manufacturers of drugs. That is, the presence of the pharmaceutical market of counterfeit, substandard and unregistered drug is an essential social and economic, medical and pharmaceutical problem. According to the information base of World Health Organization, largest share in the structure of counterfeit drug are drugs that doesn't contain active ingredient. Then counterfeit drugs that have inappropriate amount of active ingredients and undeclared active ingredients. The problem of prevention of tracking of counterfeit, substandard and unregistered drugs at both the international and national level remains open and becomes every year more and more important. Among the factors contributing to the falsification of medicines in different countries are lack of recognition of the problem's seriousness by the government, inadequate legal and regulatory framework including insufficient penalties, weak administrative measures, and ineffective supervision of the manufacture, import and distribution of drugs. Inefficient cooperation between authorities and agencies involved in the management, monitoring, investigation and prosecution. Inefficient national and international cooperation and exchange of information between the public and private sectors. Limited access to health services and reliable drug supply channels. Inadequate system of social protection, poverty and illiteracy of the population, etc. And what are the measures that is used nowadays to decrease circulation of the falsified drug? We will know next video. Thank you for your attention. Glad to see you next video.